Hey, what is up you guys? Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of my 2015 15-inch MacBook Pro, the 8th gen, brand new. I just bought it today. I'm excited to open it up and I just thought why not do a quick unboxing. I don't usually do this sort of videos, but you know, I haven't uploaded in a while and this has got me really excited, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Alrighty, so here it is. It's not only the 2015 MacBook Pro 15-inch, but I've also got some accessories to go with it. I've got the MX Master 2S mice. Every tech guy has it. You know, I watched so many reviews on this and heard nothing but positive things, so I thought why not grab one of these. I'm going to need one. And I've also got the Magic Keyboard to unbox as well, so you guys are going to see all of this with me. So this is the SATECHI. It's the USB-C multi-port version 2 to the adapter, so it's got basically everything. That's the reason I bought this, because it's got everything really, honestly, as you can see here in the image. Got your SD, micro SD, Ethernet, USB-C, normal USBs, so you got all of your ports right there. Obviously the Magic Keyboard, the reason I got the Magic Keyboard is because they are the best keyboards. They're so nice to type on. The keys are just perfect. You know, it's got the number pad there as well. So it's a full-size keyboard, and these things, they just last you. And the reason, the most important reason I bought is, apart from the fact that it's really nice to type on, that I can basically type really fast on it. So if you're doing a lot of uni work, a lot of typing up a lot of things, then this is the best keyboard in my opinion, for me. And obviously the MX Master 2S. So as you can see, there it is. And the great thing about this mouse is that you can use it across computer control, so you can use it on multiple computers. So it's got a dark field high position tracking, so you can basically tracks on any surface, so that's pretty cool. It's got a unique scrolling experience, comfortable shape, fast rechargeable battery, so you don't need to worry about changing batteries or anything. Just plug it in and it usually lasts about 70 days, so plenty of time. Yeah, so no issues, no dramas there. But in saying that, let's get unboxing. Okay, so by no means am I a pro at this, so just bear with me. Hopefully you can see everything that I'm doing. Before that, so just go through the specs really quickly. It's 15-inch MacBook Pro, so it's the Retina LED backlit display with True Tone technology. I'm sure you guys have heard plenty about that. It's got the 2.6 GHz 6-core Intel Core i7. So I think that's plenty. And the reason I didn't get the i9 is because of the throttling. I did my research and I was like, well, you know, now that this is the 8th gen, it's upgraded, the new keyboard, True Tone display. I think this is, you know, more than enough power. You got 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigabytes of SSD, Radeon Pro 560X, Intel Ultra high definition graphics, so 4 Thunderbolt, 3 USB-C ports. You got a headphone jacks, touch bar, backlit keyboard, FaceTime, etc, etc, etc. But yeah, so I thought this was more than enough power. And again, I just want to reiterate, if you don't need the i9, then don't get it. You know, I got this at such a great price, and like, it's more than enough power for me. Like, I've been using this really old 2011 MacBook Pro that I've had for so long, and it's done well, but it's just a little too slow. It's just, you know, it's actually quite slow, so hence this upgrade. Okay, here we are. Let's open up this bad boy. Oh, okay. Let's set this aside, and I just so you guys can see, you know, first person's point of view. Oh, so lifting that up, put that aside for a second, but that does feel so nice. So what you get in the box is, you get obviously the charging cable, USB Type-C. You get this thing, whatever that is, I'll look at it later. And obviously the charger. So the quick start guide. Oh, there we go. got the white stickers. Now I know black stickers. Alrighty, here we go. Just get this wrapping up it. Oh, god damn, look at that. Oh, that is so slim. It's unbelievable how slim that is. Wow. And that is exactly why I didn't buy the Intel Core i9. Once it overheats, you actually don't get to experience any of that excess power unless you're like, you know, you can keep it in the freezer. Wow. Oh, look at that, it lit up. Let's take this off. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Let's have a closer look at that. So it's got the new keyboard as well, obviously the touch bar.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Oh, it speaks to you. Okay. Anyway, look at this beast. 15-inch. Alright, now we've got the Magic Keyboard. Let's open this up. Look at this built. What a beautiful keyboard. Oh, that feels so nice and just like the laptop. God damn, this is so thin. Check how thin that is. That is so thin. The keys still have absolutely great travel. It's better than the actual computer keyboard. It feels super nice, and obviously in the box what you get is a standard charger, but instead of white it's in black, which is really nice. Goes well with the keyboard. It feels absolutely delicious. And the other thing to note, guys, is that you can get one without the arrows and the numeric pad, so you can just have that keyboard that you can pop in your bag and take it anywhere with you, but I'm just going to use it at home. God, look how super thin it is. It's absolutely majestic, and it looks so nice in that space grey. Nice. Let's get the mouse going. I've always really liked Logitech's products. They've always been of high quality, so you know, with all the great reviews that I've heard about this, I'm not even worried that this is, you know, that this is not going to be worth the money or good enough. You know, I'm more than aware of the quality. Oh, that feels so nice. Like as soon as I pick that up, it just feels your hand, and you just wrap your hand right around it, and it feels so good to the touch. Yeah, so you got easy switch up. As you can see here, got the easy switch. Basically, you turn it on, then you can switch between up to 3 different or more, I don't know, but they've got 1, 2, 3 here. Connect in 0.03 seconds. You know, you can either do it via the little USB thing that they've provided, or you can do it via Bluetooth. I think Bluetooth is going to be new, especially with a new laptop that doesn't have too many USB-C ports. But yeah, it comes with the charger as well. It feels absolutely beast-like in your hand. And again, remember, the cool thing about this is that you don't actually need a trackpad, a mouse pad, or anything like that. You can even track on glass. It's got some really nice buttons there. Feels really great. Obviously a scroll, and obviously back and forward buttons, and that just feels so good. I think that's a button as well. So many buttons. I still have to discover this. I got to use this before I can tell you guys more about it, except what's on the box. Nice. And last but not least, the SATECHI USB-C multi-port version 2. And the reason you want to get the version 2, if you're like me, is because it's got all your connections. You don't need to buy any more USB-C hubs. This is like all in one, basically. So, oh, space gray, perfect. Aluminium body, space gray. matches the MacBook Pro perfectly. And obviously you want to get the Type 2 because it's got this cable, so you can actually move it around when you connect it, so you can access your different ports. So your micro SD, the USB ports, and obviously the HDMI, the Ethernet, and apparently you can charge through this device. So yeah, anyway, I'll tell you guys more about it. Basically, that's just a brief overview of why I got this instead of the other one. If you take a closer look, it feels really light and really nice in your hand. It's quite slim, quite beautiful. Just feels really light. It's actually a lot lighter than I thought. I thought it would be like one of those portable batteries, but no, there you go. Alright guys, so that is it. So obviously the MacBook Pro, that's the beast right there that I need to play around with a little bit more before I tell you guys more about it, do some more videos on it. You got the SATECHI USB Hub that's got everything that you need for all your different normal USBs, HDMIs, Ethernet, micro SD, SD, all in one. It's definitely worth the investment. And just before I move on with the MacBook Pro, I would highly recommend that you guys get the new 8th gen one. It's just got everything that you need. You got the updated keyboard that a lot of people were complaining about. You know, had some issues with the keyboard. It's updated the keyboard, the True Tone display, and it's just more efficient in terms of power and speed and all that good stuff. Also the Magic Keyboard, definitely worth checking out, because for those who type a lot, definitely will keep up with that speed and that comfort that you're looking for. The mouse, the Logitech MX Master 2S mouse, it's just a beast. It feels so nice in your hand. Your hand just automatically just wraps around it and it sits perfectly in your hand. You also get the charger there as well. But yeah, definitely worth the investment. Couldn't be happier, couldn't be more excited. It looks absolutely stunning. I'm just so surprised with this, just so surprised with the SATECHI USB-C hub. It's so clean, so light, it just matches the MacBook Pro perfectly, and obviously the space gray keyboard looks amazing. The Logitech mouse, space gray as well. So perfect. They'll match really, really well. And yeah, there you have it. Please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video.